what I've experienced so far of my visit to Foodex is the significant amount of equipment supplies and technologies that we were not aware of, and it certainly is an interesting and educational visit as well as a commercial one.
Well, the main reason I came to Foodex was to see and get some new ideas, maybe some suggestions as to how we can streamline our business.
So the key points for me to come to Foodex is really the innovation that you see here, the time that you can spend with colleagues discussing innovative processes, and of course, last but not least, the engaging panels.
It's really great to see all these big machines and remember what the food industry really is all about.
I believe that it's important to come to an event because you get more of a hands-on feeling of what the product and technology is, and you get a chance to talk to real people rather than just a dry internet dialogue.
I think it's important for people to take time out of their busy days to be able to learn what's coming down the track, what are the trends that are happening longer term, to be able to take their learning back into their company and perhaps change some of the things that they're doing.
It's a bit of an eye-opener. You see things, there's things that take me by surprise and, things. It's just good for everyone to have a look round to see every aspect of it.